Hi guys, a little update on Lowso and everything that's been going on lately. I've been just let me get started. So, life's been difficult, and when I say difficult, I don't mean that I'm ungrateful for the opportunities and circumstances that I've been given, but it is going to be a struggle right now. A couple of weeks ago, or actually a couple of days ago, I moved away from close friends and family to try and go make something of myself, and mainly just because I wanted a new start for myself. Lowso's whole season, at least for me and Robert, or maybe just for me, but it just didn't go the way I wanted it to. I had a lot of opportunities that I let go because I was embarrassed to be the kid holding the camera at events and stuff like that, and I didn't want to put myself out there. And I've just been embarrassed, and because of that, I think I lost a lot of important opportunities that I had while I was in Maryland. So that bums me out a lot. We, as Lowso, or I guess honestly, mainly just myself, had a lot of rumors surrounding myself up there, and just it was pretty obvious that I just was not included in the car scene up there anymore. Everyone just did not want me around, and that's cool. I understand. A lot of stuff happened. Stuff I really don't feel like talking about because they all got resolved, and you know, I'm glad everything now is dealt with, and the affected parties definitely know who they are, but it's in the past now. It's sad, but it is what it is. Around the fall of this year, I began to get a little worried about what I was going to do with myself. You know, I've been graduated for 2 years out of high school now, and I've been moving in kind of a good direction. I work on cars, or I have been working on cars. Luckily for a season of my life, I was blessed to be working at a fantastic shop in Maryland called K&K Automotive, and it was great. I loved it. I didn't intend on ever leaving. And I love all those people that work there, Cody and Fleet and Michaela. I love all those people very dearly. They really looked out for me. They looked out for me when basically no one but my family was, and I really appreciate them. Sadly, that chapter had to abruptly end. It's a family-owned business, and the brother was moving back to the area and was going to be starting again, so I had to leave. I understand, and I can't really argue to that, but they were giving me opportunities that no other shop was. Instead of changing oil and rotating tires, I was being, you know, responsible for replacing Jasper motors and doing clutch jobs and steering racks and half axles, and just work that I would not have been given the opportunity to do for a long time without schooling. So when that job and the pay came to an end, I had two options. I could continue to try to find another job in small little Maryland and hate everyone that I'm around, and you know, all my friends went to college, so just not really have a lot of friends up there. Or I could take my one chance that I have and you know, make a leap and go somewhere and do something different. So like, it's probably, I think it's 1 week tomorrow that I moved, and I moved to North Carolina. I'm from here originally, but I left obviously about 10 years ago, I want to say. Give or take about 10 years I've been living there, so I don't really know anyone in North Carolina anymore. And I'll just be starting over, which I'm really excited for, but it is, you know, nerve-wracking, and that's why I said life's been difficult. I know it has to rain before it shines, so I'm excited that life's difficult right now because, you know, the amount of bad days is only judged by the way you respond to them. They can just bring an endless cycle of good days. It just depends on how you deal with the task at hand, and I'm excited to be given that kind of responsibility. I will be going to a community college in the Raleigh area, and I'll be getting my associate's degree in applied science for working on cars. That's at least a piece of paper saying I know what I'm doing, so I'm pretty excited to have that and be able to go out into the work field again with that in 2 years. But for Lowso, I'm going to continue to make videos down here. My Z, if you guys did not know, is in the garage for the winter, and will be down here with me as soon as possible, hopefully. Honestly, the weather's pretty nice here, and I'd love to have it here now, but I gotta get stable first before I bring everything down. Well, everything's down except my car and like my toolbox and a couple other things like that, but luckily I've been blessed with fantastic parents that have been willing to help out with this. So as far as Lowso though, Robert is still going to be making videos up north. Hopefully he'll still keep characters in the videos that you guys have met before. There's a few people that had association with Lowso that I'm not really sure where they stand anymore. One in particular, I texted him about a video that we were going to make together, and that was in like October, and I have not heard from him since. I don't know if I did something or set him off. I mean, there was a lot of drama with Lowso for a while in general, and not for the weak, that's for sure. If you're not like kind of with the shits, you're not really gonna be able to be a part of Lowso, because we go through a lot, and me and the guys that are still a part of it have been through a lot together. Especially me and Robert. We've just been friends for a long time and seen a lot of stuff, and moving away is definitely sad because I will miss Robert and getting to make videos with him, but he's supposed to still come visit every now and then, and vice versa. I'll probably go up there since my parents still live up there. You know, and looking back at 2018 though, I'm just really blessed to be given opportunity after opportunity to speak to people and to have people kind of listen to my opinions on the car scene or whatever it may be. And I'm glad to hear so many people reciprocate the way that I feel and say that I'm not crazy for feeling this certain type of way about the car scene, feeling like it's a you know, nasty thing right now. It's nice to hear that other people feel the same way I do about things, and I'm just very grateful for for you guys allowing me to share my story. It's nice to be able to put it somewhere and know that it kind of goes to an audience. Even if it didn't, I still like making videos. You know, I still feel like the best videos I've ever made were videos that have gotten under 100 views. I have no problem with that. I think my biggest video right now, the 5 reasons video, that video is trash. Like, I don't know why it's still getting popular, but I'm grateful. I appreciate everything. If you guys have subscribed to Lowso for this long, thank you. If you've shot me a message on Instagram, thank you. If you guys have subscribed or commented or liked one video even, thank you. It means something. You know, it means a lot to us. It means a lot to me personally. And I'm excited to see the direction of everything going this year. Hopefully I won't let my insecurities hold me back from taking opportunities like I want to. And that's one of the biggest things I want to overcome this year, is if I want to do something, I have to do it. And I don't want to have anything holding me back. And that's the power of new environment. I can do and be and say whatever I want. They have no recollection of my past, so I can kind of just be free to let my chameleon-like soul do whatever it wants. That being said, guys, you know, Happy New Year's. Today is January 1st, actually. So Happy New Year's. A lot of fun stuff to look forward to in this year. I'm just not sure what. If there's anything in specific you've seen before and you'd like to see again, like if you wanted to see more videos about 350Zs in specific, or fixing or maintaining them or anything like that, or more Miata videos, or if you want me to get a Lexus again, I'm never doing that, so you don't even have to leave that comment. You can just stop right there, because I'm never getting a Lexus again. I hated that. Maybe I'll show you guys around the apartment soon. I don't know. Well, I don't know. But it's nice to get to talk to the camera again. It's been a while, and makes me remember how much I like it. So, all right, guys. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.